So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the region of your PC. By changing the region, it would be very convenient for you to automatically set the time range for your specific area or the region you say. So it's a very convenient method if you set the region to yourself, and some of the stuff that you are receiving in your PC will be as per your region. So it's very convenient for you. So in order to change the region for your PC, all you have to do is to just simply go to the settings of your PC. If you are using the Windows version below than Windows 10, you have to find that this option in control panel, or in Windows 10 or 11 you can find the option of settings. So I open the settings of my Windows PC. You can see now currently I am in the settings of my PC, and now in order to change the region, all I have to do is to just simply find an option of time and language at the left window. You can see various options are there available, and you will see find an option of time and language. Just simply click on this option, and then a window will open right in front of you of time and language, where lot of options are available right in front of you. Now in order to change the region, you can see the option of at the right of time zone, you can see the option of region. Currently it is set to India. Now if I want to change the region from India to somewhere else, I just simply click on this option. Now you'll scroll down and find an option of country or region. You can see now if I click on this option, a list of all the countries region available will open right in front of me. From here I can select the region for my PC as per my convenience. Currently I am comfortable with Indian region, so I set it to India. You can set the region as per your convenience. So that's a really interesting and quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.